Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to use Face ID or fingerprint login on the Costco application. So first of all, you need to simply launch your Costco app. Then you need to sign in into your account normally. Now, once you log in into your account, you need to simply click on the option of account. Then when you are inside your account, you just have to simply look for the option of settings. Now inside the settings, you need to look for the option of biometric login or face ID option, and then you need to simply just turn on that particular option. Now on an iPhone, Costco may ask you to follow your face ID access. So you need to simply just get started with it and allow it, then authenticate it with your face in order to confirm the settings. Now on Android, you can enable the available fingerprint or the biometric authentication when these are prompted, and your phone's existing biometric security will be used to approve the future Costco app logins. Now you can close the Costco application completely, then open it again. Instead of entering your password, you can use the Face ID or your fingerprint when the biometric prompt appears. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.